1,000,000 years ago, before fire, before city, before farm, the earth was cruel. The land was dry. The rivers were gone. The people were few. They were weak. They had hair all over their bodies. They walked heavy. They feared the dark. They lived in caves. They ate roots and fruit and eggs from bird nests. Every day was a fight to live. One small girl was left behind. Her family went far to look for food and water. She waited. She was weak. Her throat dry. She licked the rock for water. She was alone. But in the forest, danger moved. A giant python. Its body thick as a tree. Its tongue long. Its hiss loud. It was hungry. It smelled the girl. But the girl was not alone. Watching from the rock was the great gorilla. Silent. Eyes deep. He saw the danger. He rose. He beat his chest. Boom. The python struck. The gorilla grabbed. The snake coiled tight. But the gorilla was stronger. He bit. He tore. He smashed the snake on the stone. Until it was still. Until the girl was safe. But danger came again. Hungry hyenas. Eyes red. Teeth sharp. They circled the weak people. They attacked. Then the gorilla came. From the dark. From the trees. He grabbed. He smashed. He roared. The hyenas fled. The child lived. Later the people found water. But it was far below. The path was deadly. A young man slipped. He clung to a branch. He was ready to fall. But the gorilla saved him. He pulled him back. Then he showed them the water. It was life. Then came fire. Smoke rose. Flames spread. The people ran. But a child was left. Alone. In fire. The gorilla went into fire. His hair burned. His skin cut. But he carried the child out. He saved again. The people saw more danger. The river beast. The bird of sky. The saber-tooth with knife teeth. All came. All hunted. But the gorilla fought them all. He saved again. And again. The gorilla had once lived with his own kind. But hunger, fire, and thirst killed them. He was the last. Alone. When he saw the hairy people, he saw his own children in their eyes. He chose to guard them. They spoke by fire. They told story. From father to son. From mother to daughter. 1,000,000 years ago, before man ruled earth, one gorilla gave his life to protect. He was beast, but more than beast. He was guardian. The spirit of the forest. The savior of the first people. He saved the girl from snake. He saved the child from hyenas. He saved the man from cliff. He saved the baby from fire. He saved us from river beast, from sky bird, from saber-tooth. He saved us all. He was the hero then.